Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add or download Google Chat to your desktop. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to chat.google.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your Google account credentials. This ensures you have access to all your conversations and contacts within Google Chat. After you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the top of your browser window right next to the URL bar. You'll notice a small install button there. This button is specifically designed to let you add Google Chat as a standalone desktop application, which means you won't need to keep a browser tab open just for your chats. It's much more convenient and gives you quick access whenever you need it. Go ahead and click on that install button. This action tells your browser that you want to install Google Chat as a desktop app, allowing it to function independently from your regular browsing sessions. Once you click the install button, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This message is simply asking you to verify that you indeed want to install Google Chat on your desktop. It's a standard security step to make sure the installation is intentional. In the confirmation dialog, you'll see an install button. Simply click on it to proceed. Your browser will now process the installation and add Google Chat to your desktop. This typically takes just a moment, so there's no need to do anything else while it completes. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Chat to your desktop. The app will now appear in your Applications folder or Start menu depending on your operating system, and you can launch it anytime without opening your browser. This makes staying connected with your team or contacts much more streamlined and efficient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.